Hello, say hi lang. Say hi.
No, you're here.
Yeah, hi. No, lagi. I just finished eating breakfast.
No. No, it's shiny.
And get ready to go to Ski Dubai, the Mall Emirates. The Mall of Emirates.
No.
Okay. I bring these shoes. Oh my gosh. I wear my shoes, foot get ready to go. And waiting for my alaga. Alaga! I'm wearing my shoes.
Oh, excuse you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah. You're wearing the shoes? Oh my gosh.
Why?
Yeah. I feel pouncing already. There. I get ready to all my things there. Get ready to later the night time
Not there.
to leave here in the Dubai and go back to Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. It's the one.
Yes. It's hot. This, mommy.
I get ready to.
Shoes? Yeah.
So yes.
Mommy's shoes.
No, that's mine. No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine. Just put it there. I will wear that tomorrow later in the night time. Yeah, so I check all my things around for check. So this one I'll check this one, everything. I just need to Hello Dubai. Hi guys. Get ready, going back home, the Philippines. Oh yeah. There. There I see. You and I. There. I need to get pretty more. So this one. So there guys. I need to be ready, all my things here around. Because later we have to go. So, I miss here in Dubai, guys. I miss here in Dubai. I hope that I come back here again. I hope that I come back here and visit here again. I love Dubai very much. Look, I really love Dubai. Yeah, Dubai is a nice country. I love it. Yeah, I really love so much Dubai. Yeah, there's no one. Hi, Dai. Say bye-bye to Dubai. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dubai. Yeah, see you in Philippines. Bye-bye, Dubai, my love. Yeah. So, we're looking for it. Yeah, I'll check around. That's what happened.
Milan, finish na. Where's your donut?
Here.
Oh, get it now.
So, we'll get ready the shoes. I pre-pack the shoes now. So, hi everyone. How are you there? Ha? Oh, yeah. Oh, wala. Bito na kapusa.
Yan na yung pabalik eh.
Yeah, magpagwapa na ta. Ang lipstick na ko. Magpagwapa na ko, guys, kay I need put something my lips it's dry. My lips are dried. So, magpagwapa na ko, guys, kay para ready na to go to Ski Dubai. The Mall of Emirates. Yeah. Get ready. There. Tapos kaya akong buhok. Hi Philippines! See you later! Tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow here. Gwapa ta harong ta mahalin. Gwapa ko kaya ako mahalin. Kasi hindi ko na ako mapatiran dito sa Ski Dubai na ako saghiran dito ba niya ma-crash na ako. Makras akong kagwapa. Sana all may gwapa. There. Kung sorry sa Dubai, wala ko kitag, naida kang gwapo, no? Pero, medyo ko kitag ka ng na-crash na ako, char. Nag-dry akong lips. Ihap nga na mag-iwog na ko dito ba? Hello! How are you? Don't forget like, share, and subscribe my YouTube. Bye-bye. I love you.